y'all, it's Corey from Rains Media. Welcome back to the channel where we help you optimize your online presence and grow your business. Today we're diving into a step-by-step guide on how to fill out and optimize your Google business profile. This is crucial for you and your business for attracting potential customers and enhancing your online visibility. So let's get started. First things first, you're going to log into your Google account that's associated with your business. Then you're going to navigate to your Google Business Profile dashboard. It should look something like this here. Hopefully you can see my screen. The top row here, and the very first thing, you're going to click Edit Profile. It's going to pull up this smaller window here with a bunch of different options, and it may seem a little overwhelming at first, but it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. And I just want to take a few minutes with you today and kind of go through each step along the way here so you can follow along, if you will, and we can go step by step on how to fill this out properly and to build a solid foundation. So the first thing is your business name. Your business name is, well, your business name. If your business name is Corey at Rains Media, that's what you're going to put in this. If your business name is, Corey at Rains Media, when you click into this, you don't want to put James at Rains Media or Stephanie at Rains Media. Whatever your LLC says is exactly what you want to put in this first section here. That's exactly what you want to put as your business name. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy. Needs to be the same across all platforms. And that goes for everything we're about to go through here. All the information, all the descriptions, all the times, all the emails, all the phone numbers, everything needs to be the same across every platform. If you have a Facebook, an Instagram, a LinkedIn, whatever you may have, a YouTube, it needs to be exactly the same through every platform. So the next thing is the business category. Now this can be a little bit confusing. It can be a little bit frustrating, to be honest with you, because if you don't have a very popular category that you can type in and Google accepts, you may have a little bit of difficult finding a category that best suits your business. So take some time here, take a little bit of extra time, do a little bit of research. What I'll do is I'll put in the description of this video, I'm going to put some information in there to help you pick the best category for your business so that Google accepts it and so you can optimize it as well. Now the next thing is the description. This is something that kind of, for me at least, evolves over time. It's something that continues to grow, continues to change. This is one of those things that you're going to write it down and be like, oh, that's great. That describes our business, describes our service or our products exactly how I want it. You're going to change it on here and then copy and paste it onto all your social medias and other accounts that you have. And then in a few months, you'll go back and you'll see it and you'll be like, let's make that better because it's not up to our standard. And I still do that today. I mean, this will change from this video. It'll say this today, but tomorrow it may say something different. But anyways, the description is very important. In this description, you can use keywords or key search terms. So put yourself in your client's shoes. Okay. And pretend you're going on Google and pretend you're searching for your business. Don't have nothing in mind. Just go on there and type something, some keyword or search term, and try to find your business. What did you type in? Write that down. If you're a lawn care person, did you type in lawn care in Atlanta, Georgia, lawn care service in Atlanta, Georgia, lawn care in Roswell, Georgia? There's just a bunch of different things that can come to mind. So you need to take those ideas and things that you type in and add that to your business description. So let's move on. Keeping this video moving forward here. Opening date, that's not necessarily a big deal. Your contact information, pretty straightforward, not much to say here. Phone number. One thing I will say about the phone number, and I will leave a link in the description for smaller businesses. Um, I've owned a couple different businesses in my time, but um, one of the things that I really enjoy using that has worked really well for me is Ring Central. It's an app. I'm sure a lot of you have heard of Ring Central. You can use it across a multitude of different types of businesses. It works great. But anyways, maybe I'll do a video of that in the future. Ring Central is pretty awesome. I use that. It allows you to have a different number other than your personal number for your business, and you can have it, pretty much anywhere in the world. So I'll put a link to that in the description of this video as well. So Ring Central, use that as your phone. You can download it on your iPhone, iPad, computer. Your staff can use it on the computer and answer it as well. So it's a great thing to have. Next is your website. Pretty straightforward. What is your website? Don't mess it up. Put it in there. If you want people to land on a specific landing page, go ahead and put that in there. But typically, you want people to land on your home page in this situation. Social profiles, I just kind of threw mine in there. I would say I use LinkedIn more than Facebook and more than Instagram, just because LinkedIn to me is a B2B. The rest of them are kind of, I don't know. I just don't really pay much attention to Facebook and Instagram, to be honest with you. But I do frequently use them. But LinkedIn is my number one go-to. This next one is pretty important. This is your location areas, business location. You're going to put your specific address in for your business location, and then your service areas. If you're a service based business, you want to put all of your service areas in here. Obviously, um, I'm a marketing agency, so it doesn't matter where you are at in the world. I can help you. We can do Spanish marketing. We can do English marketing for the most part. But as I lived in Florida, and I recently moved, but when I lived in Florida, I was targeting these certain areas. So if you want to target a specific area, you can go ahead and put those in there. If not, you can just kind of be very basic and general and put general areas in this service area right here. Okay, so for your business hours, this is kind of an important thing because a lot of businesses I've noticed will have different business hours across different platforms. So their social media, like their Facebook, has different hours than their Google business profile, which I don't understand. I mean, it takes a few seconds to edit. So while you're setting this up, think about your hours. You can later then go in and add, specific hours to like holidays or weekends or whatever you need to do. But typically your basic business hours is should be the same across each platform. Here's your special hours. Like I said, you can go in here. Um, it has holiday hours, which my holiday hours are the same. I work the same each and every day, to be honest with you. So I don't put anything different here. Add more. You may own a restaurant. If you're watching this, you may have happy hour. You may have a kitchen, or you may have senior hours, or something special like this. You can add different things like this. I don't. I'm a marketing agency. I don't have uh, any of these things. The next thing's kind of just very unique to you know business and how you want to identify. I guess it's 2024. Everybody, I don't know, identifies, has this identification thing now going on. so you can identify how you want uh, Asian, Black, disabled, indigenous, Latino, whatever you need. Um, you can add that on there. I choose not to because I mean it doesn't really affect me. I'm a white guy, so I mean it. I don't have one to click, so whatever. I don't really care. This may be fit for you. It may not. The next is accessibility. You may have different types of you know things that help certain individuals. You can click on that. Amenities, same thing. uh, Crowd. Who's your crowd? Who are you going after? Are you do you have this is the first time in a long time I've looked through this, but do you have a safe space for people? I have my own space. It's your choice to to enter space with me or not, but um, no comment. Moving forward, planning. I do have appointments. You can do appointments online, but I just choose not to have that part of my profile or anything like that. And then service options is another one as well. But that's pretty much it. Pretty much how you want to set up your business. It's pretty basic and straightforward. The whole purpose of this is not to necessarily fully optimize right out the gate. The whole purpose of this is to make sure you go through this, everything is filled out correctly, and everything is filled out in a way that you are building a strong foundation. Everything is built on a foundation. And as long as the foundation is strong and correct, you can build from there. I hope this video was helpful. I hope it was a little bit insightful. And I hope you got something out of this. I look forward to seeing what you have to say in the comments. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Till next time, y'all take care, and we'll see y'all.